Now, I'm sorry for keeping you waiting so long. We went backwards and forwards, and we pretty much loved everything that everybody did. No one disappointed, and I think all of you has done the Magic Bullet proud. But unfortunately, we can't give it to everybody. You know, we can only give it to one person. And the winner of the Kitchen Magician $10,000 is Lauren Marie DeMaio.
Wow.
Yes?
This is Mick Hasty from the Magic Bullet. How you doing?
Oh my God! How are you?
I'm good, my girl. Hey, I got some news for you.
Yeah?
Your daughter won $10,000 in the competition. Yes, she did.
Oh my God!
Yes, she did.
Hi.
God, I love her.
And she's right here now, shaking.
You're on speakerphone with cameras, so keep it clean.
Yeah, no cursing.
Thank you, Mick. Thank you. You're my hero anyway. I love the Magic Bullet. Oh,
Wonderful,
God.
wonderful.
Thank